What's going on YouTube? It's your boy LB and welcome back to my another tutorial video, guys. In this video I just want to show you how I create this explosion effect inside After Effects, just like this. You like it? Stick around. Let's go. This is my clip which I'm going to use for this video effect. Okay, see how this camera is moving. So now double click here on this clip and then come here on this roto brush tool. So now click here on it and then let me back here on the beginning of this clip. First I'm going to rotate this car. Because you know that exposure will be behind of this car. So now I'm going to, let me say, a track. So guys, I'm already done track my subject. So this is the output of this roto brush tool. Okay, so this is an output. So and back here on this composition, for this roto brush tool for here, guys, on these edges for this my subject, you can just increase this feather just like 10. Okay, and then duplicate this video clip layer, just Ctrl+D. Okay, for this second or for this bottom layer you have to click here on it and then I have to delete this roto brush effect. Okay, I have to delete it and then this roto brush will be remains here on this upper video clip layer. Just all right, and then so back here on the beginning of this clip, then click here on this second video layer and then I'm going to track this camera movement. So now come here for this tracker and then click here on track camera. So you have to wait the few seconds because it is in an rising background. It is in an rising background. Well done. So now after tracking my camera already, I got some points here on this clip, guys. So now I'm going to find the point which I can use for tracking my exposure file. Okay, so let me, for example, let me use this one. So now I have to right click here on it and then create here on solid and camera. Already I have to receive this shape. Okay, so when my camera is moving, my shape still on the same position. So now I'm going to use this shape for adding the exposure fire. Okay, and guys, so now I'm going to import my video file. Yeah, this video, import it. Okay, so for this footage, this is how my exposure it is. So when you play, this is how the exposure, boom boom. So back here on this composition and then drag this footage here behind this subject that have been add some roto brush. Okay, this one, and for here I just want where my car, when my car stopped, the exposure will be, the exposure will be explode, man. Yeah, this is how this explosion it will be explodes behind this car. Okay, so let me rank with this truck solid just like this. Okay, so when my car is stopped, the explosion it will be explode behind this car. So I can increase the size of this for your video. Yeah, this is great. So, and then I have to mute this truck solid. Let me close this eye of this truck solid. Okay, so let me try, I just want to try to pray and see how this explosion will be. Wow, this is cool, guys. Okay, so now I have to add another video for, let me say it's a bomb. This bomb it will be comes from, for example, this side. Okay, is this footage again. I have to add it again here. It will comes this one. Yeah, this is cool, brother, bro. Okay, so now I have to add behind this car. When I just like this, so I have to rotate because it will come from up. Yeah, like this one. When you play, this is how it is. Okay, so maybe this is cool. So I have to cut it by here. It cannot comes out in front of this car, so I have to cut this layer of this bomb. Yeah, this is great. This is perfect. So I think this is cool. This is better, guys. For the last effect, guys, I just want to import this footage into Premiere Pro because I just want to add some shakes. Okay, some shake here on this exposure effect. Okay, so first I'm going to render this video and then I have to add it in Premiere Pro. So after rendering this video, guys, so now let me jump on in Premiere Pro and I have to add my video here. Yeah, it's already getting. I don't need this audio. Let me delete. Okay. So I have to find where, this one, where this explosion is beginning. Okay, so now I have to cut here like a few frames, and then, guys, for this shake preset, I have my own shake preset, guys. So you can create your own, or just you can download it online just to purchase it. Okay, so now let me open it. Yeah, this shake preset, I can add this effect here. So when I pray, you see how it is. Yeah, this is cool, guys. This is how I can add this shake inside this scene. So because I have been used some video on stock footage, so I can add to also some crop here. So let me create an adjustment layer for adding this crop. Okay, let me add a crop effect here. So I have to add on the top, maybe it's a 10. It's a 10. in the bottom it's a 10 also. So for this top, maybe it's not 10 only, guys. Maybe it's like 13, and down also is 13. Okay, so when I pray, yeah, this exposure is behind this globe. Man, this is cool. This is how you can create this exposure effect inside After Effects, guys. If you like my video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your comment down below. Let me know what you think. I know this effect is not hard, just take your time to learn. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and as always, guys, stay creative. Peace.